ETL stands for extract, transform, and load, and it is a fundamental process in data engineering. Imagine you have a massive amount of information scattered across different places, all in different formats, and you need to get it into one neat and tidy system. That is what ETL pipelines do. They grab data from various sources, clean it up so it all speaks the same language, and then place it into a destination where it is easy to analyze and understand. Picture a quiet old library with countless dusty shelves, each holding books, scrolls, and handwritten notes. You want to modernize it by creating an online catalog so readers around the world can easily find what they need. First, you extract the raw data from all those shelves. Then, you carefully transform it, making sure every page number, every title, and every author name follows the same standard. Finally, you load it into a digital database, ready to be searched and accessed in seconds. Now, imagine the librarian who has been waiting years for this modernization. At first, the librarian is worried. What if the data does not come together neatly? What if something gets lost? But as the pipeline runs smoothly, the librarian sees that everything is falling into place. The titles line up perfectly. The categories make sense. Old scribbles are neatly translated. At the end of the process, the librarian smiles, relieved and amazed, because now the library can serve knowledge with speed and precision. This same feeling applies when you run a successful ETL pipeline for your own data projects. Make sure to check the description for exclusive resources and tools to help you become a master of machines. Watch again if there's parts that you missed.